Bandra, a neighborhood where the old still speaks and the new never stops.
A place that's evolved from sleepy fishing hamlets to one of Mumbai's most vibrant cultural pockets.
These lanes are full of stories. Some you hear, some you feel, and some just hang quietly in the morning breeze.
Everyone knows the famous spots, but today we are walking into the Bandra, not often seen, never heard of, bewitching, mesmerizing, tantalizing,
The quieter corners and the untouched alleys.
where the art hides between shadows and life flows without hurry.
This is Bandra, which breathes without spotlight, where old architecture meets modern colors, where every step echoes a mix of nostalgia and new beginnings.
And that's where our journey begins, in the soul of Bandra. Unfiltered, unpolished, unforgettable. Welcome to Bandra Diaries. Hi, how are you? Good, good.
So you set it up for us all set.
Oh yeah.
See this, they have these Christmas colors also they got. So you pick up your gelato from there, whichever flavor they put in that and then you make your full bowl.
It's like my Froyo and a cocoa berry and all.
It's a bit, I mean, in a way, but we are a bit different because
Okay.
see, like we don't position ourselves as like a
Yogurt.
gelato or yogurt. That's soft gelato. We are like a full-fledged dessert bar.
Alright.
So you can make your own dessert bowls. It's not that you have to take that then top it up. You can
Okay.
just go for a bowl of brownies, just go for a bowl of cookie.
Oh wow.
After exploring Bandra's hidden lanes, let's chill off Bandra style.
And nothing does that better than a scoop from Meals.
Wow, what's this?
Cheesecake brownies.
Okay, so you just add that into whatever brownie
Yeah.
or
Or else you can just take the brownies as
Okay. You mean just like a piece of the brownie?
yeah.
Okay. Waffle.
They
These
have
are
Belgian dark
waffles?
chocolate also.
The waffle biscuits.
These are like the salted pretzels or the other
These
sweet
are the
pretzels?
salted caramels.
The caramel pretzels.
Yeah, salted caramel.
Hi.
Hi.
Is this your first time to Meal?
Yes, actually.
So what did you get yourself?
So I got the Belgian chocolate ice cream and the cookie butter ice cream.
How did you hear about them?
I saw it on Instagram, so I thought of
Oh.
trying it.
You stay close by?
No, I stay at Mumbai Center.
Oh, so you've come
That's
all
a
the way to
long
have.
way.
Oh, that's
That's a long
amazing.
way.
That's amazing. So how did you like it?
It's very amazing, and also the toppings are really good.
So would you come back again?
Yes, of course, indeed.
All the travel from Bombay side.
Yes.
Right. And what about you?
As well as say at Giga in Chakri Road.
Oh, okay.
She told me about Mio. That's why.
So I'm
Like
sure
an
you loved it,
adventure
right?
trip.
Yeah.
Yes.
Any flavor you recommend to us?
Yeah, I like the both. I love both flavors.
Belgian
The
chocolate.
cookie butter and Belgian chocolate.
Okay.
Both are
Okay,
good.
both.
We should try those out.
Yes.
Try one of this.
There's one size pieces. but
No, give me the smallest one. What should I take?
Maybe go for the Belgian chocolate. It's less on the sweet end. as
So can I do it?
Yeah.
How?
Just push it down and hold it.
Ooh. That's yum. I can add any of these toppings now, right?
Yeah. Anything, everything.
This looks so Christmassy.
Hi, I'm Sabah from Bandra Diaries and you are?
Hi, Athar.
Athar.
From
Nishit.
Nishit,
Yeah.
hi. Can you please tell me what's the concept behind Mio?
Yeah. So we are like India's first freestyle dessert bar.
Okay.
Where you get to create your own desserts in a way. We have everything ranging from soft gelatos to n number of desserts, and basically all the soft gelatos are made in house. We make it
wow.
fresh,
Uh-huh.
and we don't use any preservatives as such to make it as well. And bunch of different desserts, and probably what we can do with the bowl that Nishit will explain. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, so how it works, you just pick a cup and then we have 6 soft gelatos and more than 30 plus different stuff going on. And you can just mix and match whatever you want. You can take gelatos, load it up with brownies, cookies, sauces, or just take like just brownies with some sauces. So the ball is in your court, you can make your own dessert.
Own dessert.
And
Okay.
there's like no minimum quantities and we charge
Oh,
on the
nice.
gram, so you pay for what you take.
Oh, you pay for it. That's amazing. That's really nice. So it's been how long since you've started this?
It's a month old now. Yeah.
A month old,
Month
and
old
I'm
this
sure you're doing really well. Yes, touch wood, touch wood.
Touch wood. So
Yeah, touch wood.
till
Yeah,
now.
good. Yeah, touch wood.
Mio is not just an ice cream parlor, it's a mood. Fresh flavors, creamy textures, and Bandra nostalgia in every bite.
If you want to understand Bandra's sweet side, start right here. Alright, time for what Bandra Diaries is best known for. Fun Zone at Eddie's.
Hi.
Hi.
Good evening.
First time at Eddie's?
Mine, yes.
For me, it's been like a while. I've been coming here since 3-4 months, and I've got her for the first time. I
And how
recommended
was
her.
your experience here?
Our food is actually yet to come.
Okay.
Yeah. But so far the pina colada is so good.
For me, it's been an exceptional experience. Whenever I've come to Eddie, the service, the staff, the ambience has just been the perfect place. So I'd recommend everyone who's selecting a spot in Bandra, guys, Eddie's is the place to be.
Okay, now let's start with some fun questions.
All the fun questions.
Okay, so is it easy to find love these days?
It is complicated, but I feel like being in Mumbai is one of the easiest places to find love.
Are you in a relationship? No?
I'm totally single.
Totally single.
On
Thank
dating
you for watching
apps?
this.
On dating apps?
No dating apps. I want to find love organically through like the right places, like maybe in the gym or a library or in the park. I'm not like kind of.
So like old school, you're old school.
I'm a
you're
very
totally
old school romantic kind of.
Okay, so have you ever dated two girls at one time?
No, I've not even dated a single girl. And
You've never dated?
no.
So you're yet on the lookout.
Yes, I am yet to find the love of my life.
So would you kiss on your first date?
No. I would wait maybe 2 or 3 dates to make the first move. I'm
And what
very
if the
shy.
girl wants to?
Then I'd not go on a second date.
Okay.
So it's rejection.
Yeah.
Rejection. Okay, what's your take on marriage versus live-in?
I feel in this generation it's very important to live in first, so you can basically understand the person who you're gonna settle for the rest of your life.
And what if the girl is not comfortable with that?
So I would accept that decision too. Maybe she wants the old traditional way to first get married, then
And
have
then-
that experience. Yeah.
Okay, so what's your take on men calling women gold diggers these days?
Honestly, it's very situational. Depends if she's actually like in it only for the money but I mean, I think if both of them are independent enough and but one of them is richer, I mean, it is what it is. Yeah.
Okay.
So it is what it is.
What's your take on that?
I feel if the woman's job is to provide all the other aspects and the man's job is to provide the money aspect. So it's not golding.
So you're really old school.
Yeah, this is how it should be.
What's your take on women taking advantage of the laws that's
Meant to protect them.
I feel lately, because of the divorce rates that are going up, I feel like for some women it's like a good financial move to probably
Get married and then
get married and then get divorced so they can live off their husband's wealth, or maybe like it's like a business for them.
So you would want your wife to be a housewife or a working woman?
It's totally up to her. I would want her to do whatever she loves.
Thank you so much. Thank you. Great talking to you all. And that wraps up another colorful day in Bandra. From hidden alleys to creamy scoop, to street food, to the vibes right here at Eddie's.
We'll see you in another episode of Bandra Diaries. Till then, stay excited, stay happy, and always be curious.